Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston. I'm here with my daughter Corey. Corey, say hi everybody.
Hello.
Very nice. And we are here, of course, with another snack time! Snack time! Snack. You couldn't even hear that last one. It was so high, right? It was beautiful. Look at how much she loves it when I sing. All right, so today we are getting ready to celebrate Lemonade Day, a time for kids to set up their own lemonade stands and sell different things like different types of lemonade or treats that they might make. So today we're gonna show you how to make just a classic, basic lemonade, and then we're gonna show you how to make one that's a little bit snazzier. So the ingredients for your basic lemonade are pretty simple. We need some lemons, we need some sugar so that it's not super sour, and we just need some water. And different people, you might like it a little bit more sour or a little more sweet, but the basic kind of ratio is we're going to use equal parts of lemon and sugar, and then we're going to use about 4 times more water. So today we're just going to make 1 glass of lemonade. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of lemon, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then we're going to add 1 cup of water to that. You ready? All right, do you want to cut the lemon in half? All right, we're just going to cut our lemon in half. We're going to squeeze our lemon juice into our jar. We're going to add our 1/4 cup of sugar and our water and stir it all around. All right, so we're just gonna set this aside for a quick moment. So far we have our lemon juice and our sugar, but we wanna give it a chance for that sugar to dissolve before we add our water. So we're actually gonna show you now how to make a different kind of lemonade that's a little bit fancier, a little bit special. We're gonna make a blueberry lemonade. And for this we need to make what's called a simple syrup. We're gonna make this using blueberries. I had a cup of blueberries here. I added a 1/2 cup of sugar and then a cup of water. And I heated this up until boiling and stirred it while it was boiling. So now I have all these kind of syrupy looking blueberries in here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna strain this out so we get rid of all of the solids. We just have the syrup, and we can actually add this to lemon juice and water. Remember, it's already got the sugar in there, so it's already nice and sweet. We can add this to lemon juice and water to make a blueberry flavored lemonade. So let's try straining this. I've just got a little bit of a filter here. You can also use a fine mesh strainer at home. Okay, Corey, let's give that lemonade one more stir, see if we can get some of that sugar on the sides down. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of our blueberry simple syrup to our pure lemon juice here. Nice, very pretty. And now I think we are ready to add our cup of water. So I'm gonna just pour about a cup in here. You can stir it up. Very nice. Go ahead and hold on to that jar while you're stirring. I'll pour the same into this jar. Very nice. And now we're just gonna add a little bit of ice so that it's nice and cold and extra super refreshing. And there we have it. We have our classic lemonade and we have our blueberry lemonade. We're gonna make them extra fancy with a couple of these paper straws. Let's have our colors match here. Which one do you wanna try first, Corey? Blueberry lemonade? All right, here you go. So this is one example of a recipe. Obviously, if you wanna make more, you just double or triple or quadruple your recipe, but you will be all ready to have your own lemonade stand this spring. Thanks very much, everybody, for joining us for today's snack time video, and we'll see you all again soon. Cheers.